Vikas block is here. So please come to enter the school. This is actually the place where our students have been totally participated from till now. The achievement of the school have been displayed on the school wall. Here also, the students they participate in cluster level and regional level in sport and scout and guides. The photo have been displayed here. Please come, sir. Coming to the office block. Please come to our office block of Kendriya Vidyalaya Hinjilkar. We are actually functioning in our building, the office. This is actually the notice board of our school. Everything were kept in the notice board. The circulars and the parent waiting area. When the parent is entering in our school, they are sitting in the entering area. Chairs are there also. They are sitting. After that, they are going to the principal chambers. This is the staff room. The staff room of our school. Teachers are coming here and they are sitting. They are doing their job. Homework checking, classwork checking, student notebook checking, and everything is going in the staff room. Please come to our office chamber. This is office. The functioning of Kendriya Vidyalaya Hinjilkar. We are functioning the office. Please come to inside, sir. This is official chamber. Our staff members, the UDC office call, they are sitting here. Each functioning with our computer system is also there, and also that the Xerox machine is there. Everything kept in our office for official purposes.
एक सेकंड
Patra sir name is Nahari Patra. He is functioning as the office UDC. This is our principal chamber's room. Principal chamber. From there, principal is sitting. He is functioning here. He is the official, our actual head of the institution. He is our controlling body. He controls the staff member and institutions and the student in general. Under instruction, under his guidance, the school is functioning in a smooth and Manas Kumar Pushti sir, our principal sir is there. CCTV camera is also there, and everything systematically we have done, and also in-community chart of the principal is also there. Till now, 7 principals are functioning in our school, and also the chart of the chairman also written here. Our chairman is the collector, Mr. V.A. Kulenge, IS, District Collector Ganjam. This is an office functioning area. The chamber of the principal, as you like it, as you see it, this is a beautiful chamber, and the school is functioning in a dynamic, systematic, and enlarged manner. And our staff members are very good. They are very polite. They are very good. They are very energetic. They are actually very active to the student and parent. Anybody come to the school, they are actually very approachable. You can approach anytime in the school. All the staff members are highly qualified, highly beneficial for the student, and they are active. They are actually dynamic in nature, and they are visionary for the school. Please come to outside, sir.
चलिए
This is actually our aqua water. The students are coming here, they are taking the water, the purification portable water we have installed in our school, and students are coming, they are taking the water, this water point of our school. That requirement has been installed here. And this is, now please come to here. This is our actually resource room. This is our actually resource room. यहाँ पर एक हमारा टीवी है, एक एलसीडी है, एक प्रोजेक्टर है, और यहाँ पर माइक सिस्टम भी कनेक्शन हुआ है. एक माइक सिस्टम आ जाता है, बॉक्स सिस्टम भी डाल सकते हैं. हम इसको कनेक्शन करते हैं. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट का एक्टिविटी होता है, यहाँ पर क्लासेस होता है, टीचर्स आर टेकिंग द क्लासेस, एससीपी एडवांस्ड एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम का एक्टिविटी होता है. उसके बाद आज एक्टिविटी स्टूडेंट का होता है, प्लेफुल एक्टिविटी, प्लेफुल मेथड में यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम राइट फ्रॉम प्राइमरी टू 10th क्लास स्टूडेंट आर कमिंग हियर. एक्टिविटी में टीचिंग इज गोइंग ऑन. सम इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स टीचर्स आर गिविंग. स्काउटिंग गाइड का भी यहीं पर हम डिस्कशन करते हैं. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट को ताकि हमारा फंक्शन होता है, शिष्य का होता है. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट आके शिष्य का भी फंक्शन करते हैं. यहाँ पर डांस करते हैं, यहाँ पर एक्टिविटी मेथड करते हैं. यहाँ पे टीचर सिखाते हैं लड़कों को, और टीचर का इंस्ट्रक्शन होता है. जो भाग लेते हैं, जो पार्टिसिपेट होते हैं, यहीं पर आते हैं. यहीं पर हमारा सिलेक्शन होता है. सिलेक्शन को हमारा पूरा टोटल हम प्रैक्टिस करके देन वी आर गोइंग टू द स्टेज फॉर फाइनल रिहर्सल. दिस इज एक्चुअली रिसोर्स रूम, एक्टिविटी रूम, एंड एक्टिविटी बेस्ड एजुकेशन इज गोइंग ऑन इन दिस केंद्रीय विद्यालय. All the this is actually the way we are coming here. This is our school area. This is come here, sir. This is actually the music room of our school. This is actually a stage. The stage of our school. This is stage of our school. This is the flag area. Every day we are unfurling the national flag of our school daily morning. This is assembly centered gown. Students are coming here and actually they are doing prayer activities in the school. Prayer activities in the school. And right from here, the students are very good, very energetic. Teachers are standing in the school actually in front of the students. Teachers are standing backside and front side. Everything going in systematically. The prayer function, activity, Shishya work, and all type of any areas, the time to time we are doing scout and guide, music and mass PT. Everything we are doing in this assembly set. Everything is going in systematic manner. As per the procedure, as per the activity plan of Kendriya Vidyalaya. Throughout the year, we are doing in a systematic, purposeful and rightful manner. So please come. This is class 1 back side. The class 1 students, they will sit here. They are coming to school first time. They will sit. They will exposure to school because they don't have exposure in school right now. From play school to there will come to the school. For our information, for our knowledge, the school is very nice, beautiful setup. All benches are there. Everything have been set up. कक्षा 1, class 1 यहाँ पर लड़कों को बैठेंगे. This is my humble request to the parents that school is very nice, very beautiful, very fantastic. All teachers are very. Actually, COVID situation, the quarantine center also set up by government of Odisha in consultation with the state government, and everything is okay. Sanitizing is going on, and right now everything will be okay. And within 2-3 days, everything will be okay, no doubt. And parents are interested and requested to come to the school. From Kendriya Vidyalaya Intellectual Librarian speaking, as you know that our admission procedure is going on. Already the student have been admitted in class 1 and now we are actually introducing our class teacher of class 1, Mr. Ravi Yadav sir. As you know that he belongs to basically from New Delhi. He is a good, efficient, honest, dedicated teacher. He will take the class 1 of student classes as well as the class teachers. Parents are requested to contact any problem to our class teacher. He is very nice, cordial and very helpful to the parent and student also. Now I am introducing Ravi Yadav sir.
A very happy morning to all parents and students. I am Ravi Yadav, PRT. Students, I will be your class in charge and I will teach you EVS and Hindi.
Good morning to all. I am Priyanka Panigrahi. I will teach you English and Math. Best of luck and welcome to our school.
Our classroom is actually ground floor. So for your information, when the situation is going to all okay, then we will shift the student to the ground floor. Yes. This is our actual music room. Right, please come to sir here. Right now, near to the music room. Your music madam is also Mala Dubey madam there. He is actually taking the music. All the instruments are there in the music room. And coming to near the music room, behind it, our library. I am a librarian, Mukesh Pati, TGT librarian of this Kendriya Vidyalaya Intellectual School. This is library. The entry point of library, well set up. Well established library, all books are there. Students are coming and reading in the library with harmonious and systematic manner. All type of story book and also literary books are there. Students are reading in a rightful and pleasant manner in our library. Toilet नहीं दिखा तो उनको मालूम क्या होगा? Toilet नहीं toilet छोड़ देते. This is actually the toilet area. Class 1 student boys, they will come here and actually this is a wash point. Wash point of our school. After they are coming and washing their hands in the school actually it's set up. 3 water fountains are there. Well established waters are there. Good waters are there in our school. This is actually toilet area. Students are coming and they are taking the toilet from well established toilet are there. No problem for the student. Oh sir, please come sir. Up आइए sir. Up आइए. This is our girls toilet. लड़कों का टॉयलेट है वहाँ पर कमिंग स्टूडेंट कमिंग टू आवर कंप्यूटर लैब. This is actually computer lab of our school. Well established, well systematic laboratories are there. All type of. Please come sir. Please come to our the computer lab. This is very good, nice computers are there. Everything has been set up. This is actually AC room. Now the computers are functioning in the right and systematic manner. Our computers are also there. He is also sitting there. He is functioning as a computer. And Ravi Yadav sir, he is actually primary sir. He is taking the classes 1 to 5. He is a very good, very energetic, very nice, very approachable, very good, and very polite to the student and staff member, and also parents also. All type of computers are there. Teachers are very cooperative, very nice, and they are approachable. Any problems, anything related to the student, immediately they are taking the action for the student. Immediate action you are taking by the staff member. Very nice. All type of equipment are there in the computer setup. All the Wi-Fi also connected in our computer lab. Internet connection is also there. Students are studying right from class 1 to class 10. Every activity is going on related with computer. Computer sir is very nice, very good. Newly appointed computer sir. He is very experienced sir. He knows very well about the computer system and computer.